The federal government has launched the national policy on non-state schools to regulate and support private schools nationwide. The policy aims to regulate private schools and improve access for all children. Maria Mohammed has more.
Thousands of children in the FCT are back in school as NUT strike ends, but Minister of Education Maruf Tinja-Lausa says this is just the start of deeper reforms.
Getting the teachers back to school is just one part of fixing the problem. We have to fix the fundamental problem, because we don't see this issue of teachers not being paid in other states of the Federation after the government after the federal government launched universal basic education, where salaries are now being paid by state suburbs.
He made this known at the launch of the national policy on non-state schools, reaffirming the government's commitment to overhaul the education sector.
Implementing reforms to improve access, quality and accountability in our educational sector. Leveraging technology, public-private partnership and innovative approaches to drive education development.
The first of its kind policy sets standards for infrastructure, guides private-public school partnerships and enforces quality assurance.
The policy emphasizes on regulation, support, as well as collaboration to help the non-state schools cooperate effectively.
The TRCN also threw its weight behind the initiative, stating that over 85% of private school teachers are not yet professionally registered.
When fully implemented, the policy will usher in sanity, entrench quality assurance, inclusivity, and resolve some of the identified inconsistencies in service delivery by the non-state schools.
The British High Commission praised Nigeria for tackling challenges facing private schools, especially in rural and low-income areas.
I think Nigeria's done a great job and is really progressive in terms of getting this policy out. The UK has worked really strongly in this area.
Stakeholders are now being urged to support its swift and full implementation for the future of every Nigerian child. With the launch of this policy, the federal government is optimistic that it will help reduce the number of out-of-school children and also drive inclusive growth in the education sector. Maria Mohammed, TVC News, Abuja.